Hello friends, welcome to my mama's kitchen. Please watch our videos and subscribe the channel. The Burgers.
Hello friends, happy Makar Sankranti. I am Sanvi Borkar. Today I am here with Makar Sankranti special sweet Tilgu Laddu. Today I will show you very fast and easy method of making tasty delicious Tilgud Laddus. Tilgud Laddu is a must make traditional Maharashtrian sweet during Makar Sankranti. Tilgud Laddu is made from simple ingredients til, good, peanuts, grated coconut, ghee and elaichi. It is given to elders and kids during Makar Sankranti and the following words are said. Til gud घ्या गोड गोड बोला. This means take the sweet til ke laddu and maintain the sweetness of our relationship. Required ingredients: 1 cup of sesame seeds. I have taken unpolished sesame seeds. 1 cup of jaggery. Half cup of grated coconut. Half cup roasted peanuts. Small amount of elaichi and half cup of raisins and little amount of ghee. Now 1 cup of sesame seeds you put in a frying pan. Dry roast the sesame seeds till you begin to get a nice aroma. Stir continuously. You have to dry roast it till 7 to 8 minutes. Sesame seeds are very rich in calcium. Sesame seeds are an important part of Indian cuisine since centuries. It is important to stir continuously as sesame seeds tend to burn and give a bitter taste. Now it's done. Now I am going to transfer this to a plate. Now I am adding half cup of desiccated coconut to the frying pan. Dry roast it till fragrant. Coconut will enhance the taste of the til laddus and it will give crunchy texture also. Roasted aroma is coming. Slightly color changed. Yes, it is done. Now switch off the flame. Now this also you have to transfer to the plate. Now again I am adding 2-3 spoon of ghee to the frying pan and adding 1 cup of jaggery. We have to stir it continuously. You have to mix well and cook on a slow flame for 4-5 minutes while stirring continuously. The jaggery syrup must reach a soft ball stage. Stir continuously. Jaggery started to melt. Slowly it is melting. Unlike sugar, jaggery has a distinctive flavor which complement the other ingredients beautifully. In Sanskrit, it is called as sharkara, commonly called as good or jaggery. Now it is completely melted. We have to check the jaggery syrup. The jaggery syrup must reach a soft ball stage. That means we have to pour this syrup into a bowl containing small amount of water. It should reach a sticky ball shape, soft ball shape. It's not completely done, I think. Once again I am going to stir it. Once again I will check. I am adding a drop again. Yes, it is done. Yes. The syrup is ready. Now this jaggery syrup I am going to add to a plate containing til and coconut. Now I am going to add half cup of roasted peanuts, 1/4 cup of raisins, one-fourth tablespoon of elaichi powder, now mix this mixture nicely. Jaggery syrup will be sticky, so I am taking a help of another spoon. Now mix it well. Now it's mixed well. This I transferred to a plate greased with the ghee. Now I am adding 1 spoon of ghee over to my palm and making laddus. This mixture is not too cold. Too cold mixture we can't make a laddu. I am taking small portions and rolling and making the balls. See, the texture is very nice and its aroma also very nice. Til good is a source of energy. It's prized in Ayurveda for its ability to generate heat and energy in the body. I made 10 to 12 laddus by using 1 cup of til. So it came very nicely, loved by all of my family members. So friends, once you definitely try this recipe. I hope you liked this recipe. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.